Hello, hello. I'm Greg Dawson, the founder of 3Strand Solutions, 3Strand.ai, and host of the Business Automation Podcast. And today, Bailey and I are here to talk about this week's featured AI tools. Each week, the featured AI tools are released for free for a limited time. This week, the Expert Advisor AI tool is Tom Bilyeu. The Role Coach AI tool is GTM Advisor. The Power Skill Coach AI tool is Teamwork. The Strategy AI tool is Core Values, Observable Behaviors. The Execution AI tool is Exactly What to Say, Closing Techniques. The Book AI tool is Winning by Jack Welch. These AI tools are available to our subscribers for free for a week, starting on Saturdays and expiring on Fridays, so take advantage of them quickly. If you want free access to these tools, press like and then register at start.3strand.ai. Check the post or description down below for a link. Please note we can only give you access to the tool for free until this Friday, June 14th. Our goal is to end AI business illiteracy, starting with those in your business. We can help individuals at any level within your business and with any AI knowledge level, starting from the bottom with someone who isn't using AI at all, helping them earn their white belt and progressing up through the ranks of AI business literacy, all the way to black belt. We do this in our AI Foundations training course. If you'd like to know more about this course, we invite you to attend our next AI for Work Nano Summit, which is a 1-hour interactive immersive event about the future of AI for leaders. All that is required is your name and email address. The next Nano Summit is June 21st from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern. Register at www.3strand.ai/Nano Summit. This is how we solve issues better, faster, and cheaper. In the center of this Venn diagram, we have a problem to be solved. We look for a known framework or process that can solve that problem, add context or data, and have AI do the bulk of the work. This is what we call our AI enablement blueprint. We have found in many, many instances 100x improvements in efficiency and effectiveness. If we have generative AI do a lot of the steps rather than a human, and we make it super easy so that a less expensive employee can do the work, we can easily see 100x improvements in both time to delivery and the cost of doing so. This is exactly what we can help your employees learn without them knowing anything about software development. Instead, they can use plain English and a tool like ChatGPT. This is our Agile AI Canvas. This is the secret to AI. If you understand this, you can do everything else. It's a three-step process. Step 1, envision, which is just lay out step by step. Here's how I do the work today. Get a piece of paper out. You don't need a fancy chart like this. This is helpful, but you don't need to use it. Just list out maybe in a Word document or an email. It doesn't matter. Step 1, I do this. Step 2, I do this. Step 3, I do this. All the way down to what is the final deliverable you're creating, because that's typically what we're doing in our roles. Step 2, explore, because you already know all the input-output combinations and you know how to use AI to help you do tasks on its own. You're going to be able to take some of these tasks from the top row, which was you, and put them down into what we call the AI swim lane. You'll also be able to delegate some of it to another human being, usually a less expensive employee. And then ultimately, you're going to keep the highest value tasks in your own workflow. Ultimately, you compress that work down into something that takes a lot less time to actually get done. Step 3 is exploit. You go and build a tool. And as we've already shown you, you will have step-by-step instructions on how to build these tools, ultimately being able to prove a return on investment through our program by coming out with a calculation on the other side. Here's how long and how much it cost us to do this task before AI. Here's how long and how much it costs us to do with AI. We simply make a quick calculation to find the improvement. We find consistently that people can go through our AI Foundations training course, find 100 to sometimes 1,000 and above X improvements in their roles. It often takes less time to build an AI tool than it does to actually do the work itself the first time. Now let me introduce Bailey, who will give us an introduction of this week's free featured AI tools.
Hey everyone, Bailey here. Allow me to introduce this week's expert advisor, Tom Bilyeu. This tool provides you with personalized advice, expert strategies, actionable playbooks, and continuous adaptable support, all based on the wisdom of Tom Bilyeu. Here we can see Tom Bilyeu under our expert advisor tools. So we'll take a look here at a GPT that I've already run. And what this is going to do It's going to ask you what something is that you're working on and how it can assist you. In this case, I'm working on launching a new product, but I'm facing some obstacles. I need help identifying and overcoming these challenges to ensure a successful launch. Can you guide me on how to proceed? It then goes through multiple choice questions to narrow down what the issue is and what the obstacles are, and then provides you with different solutions. And as you can see here, it's pulled those solutions from different books. In this case, I chose solution number 2, Master the Art of the Pitch, from The Lean Startup by Eric Ries. And it asks the time frame we want this for, and then provides us with, in this case, a 1-week plan to master the art of the pitch. Next, we have our Power Skill Coach for teamwork. This is designed to enhance team dynamics and performance by guiding users through the process of building trust, creating fair partnerships, and promoting effective collaboration. This tool leverages AI to analyze team interactions, identify areas for improvement, and suggest tailored action plans. By following these recommendations, organizations can achieve a more cohesive and high-performing team. And here we have the Teamwork GPT. We said, let's get started, and it's going to ask us what we'd like to focus on. In this case, I chose works cooperatively with others across the organization to achieve shared objectives. It's again going to ask us different multiple choice questions to narrow down what the obstacles are, delve a little bit deeper into it. And then it's going to do the same thing as the last tool, but in this case, it's for a specific skill that we're working on. In this case, it provided 5 different solutions, and we chose solution number 5, foster a culture of collaboration. We chose 1 month as our time frame for this, and it provided us with a checklist going through week 1, breaking it down by the different days, all the way through week 4, and ongoing continuous improvement, maintain momentum, and encourage and support. Next is our core values observable behaviors tool. This helps organizations identify and implement specific behaviors that reflect their core values by translating abstract values into concrete actions. This tool fosters a cohesive and ethical work environment, enhancing both performance and culture. And for this tool, it asked us for our core values. So we listed here innovation, quality, sustainability, customer satisfaction, and integrity. And it gave us an overview of the tool, what it can help us accomplish, and why we should use it, and asked us if we were ready to start. And of course we were, so we said yes. And now we have more questions to narrow down what it is that we are really focused on with our core values and how we uphold those. And after a series of questions, it gave us the breakdown of what our answers were as far as priorities, how we handled customer feedback, quality assurance, innovation focus. And then it provided us with a core values document with an introduction, each of the core values, and the observable behaviors that should be associated with that. So just looking at innovation here, we have encourage and support creative thinking and experimentation. And of course, our conclusion and the commitment. And this is just a template that can be customized to fit the specific values and needs of your organization. And then, of course, it says here, if there are any adjustments or additions you'd like to make, please let me know. Next, we have our execution tool, which is exactly what to say, closing techniques. This is a comprehensive guide designed to enhance your conversational skills and master the art of closing deals. It provides powerful phrases and strategies that help navigate objections, build rapport, and confidently lead prospects towards making a decision. The techniques are proven to help achieve sales goals effectively. So here we have the tool itself. It starts out by asking us what kind of deals we're looking to close. In this case, I chose service contracts, and it's going to go through and narrow down, in this case, what stage of the sales process are you currently in with your service contracts? I chose final negotiation. What is the primary focus of your service contracts? What is the main concern your customers have when deciding on your service contracts? And it goes through this series of questions to narrow down what kind of closing strategy you need. And so it will give us a summary of context here, the type of deal, the stage of sales process, primary focus, main customer concern, contract duration, all of the different details associated with the deal that you're trying to close. And then it will provide you with these different strategies. So just starting out here, I'm not sure if it's for you, and it will give us the idea behind using this phrase and then the example of actually using this phrase when you're trying to close a deal. And it has provided us with 23 different phrases. And lastly, we have our book tool, which is Winning by Jack Welch. This leverages advanced artificial intelligence to offer users a customized experience as they navigate through the book's ideas. It provides summaries, insights, and specific action plans that align with the user's objectives. This tool not only highlights key concepts, but also encourages reflection and application through interactive elements and personalized recommendations. Now, the tool started out by asking us for a company profile, so we used a fictitious profile that we have here, and it asked us if we'd like to explore the ideas in the book or apply the ideas from this book to a specific situation in your business. In this case, I chose A, which was just to explore the ideas in the book, and it listed out 10 different ideas from the book itself. I chose to explore further number 8, which is candor and transparency. And it gave us an introduction, the idea behind this, how it applies to this company, and the application ideas as well. And of course, you can also choose to have it apply the ideas to a specific situation in your business. Now, with all these tools, keep in mind that the more context you give them, the better the results are going to be. If you give them very little context, you're going to be disappointed in the results because it's going to provide you with very broad and very general information. However, if you provide it with very specific context and data, you will be surprised at how it can help you do things better, faster, and cheaper across all of the critical areas of your business. Again, if you want free access to these tools until Friday, June 14th, hit like and then register at start.3strand.ai. The link can be found in the post or description down below. Thank you, and have a blessed day.